Hey guys, Aurora here, welcome back. In this video, we'll show you a powerful upgrade to the popular utbot strategy, one that adds smart trade management, time filters and dynamic exits. Whether you're a scalper, day trader or swing trader, this version helps you trade with more control and less emotion. The original utbot strategy is a favorite among TradingView users due to its simplicity and efficiency. But for real-world trading, you need more advanced tools. That's why we developed version Trail plus Time Filter Fix, a powerful upgrade to the original utbot that adds risk management, trail stops, trading hours control, and much more. What is the utbot? The utbot strategy is based on a price crossover with an adapted line calculated using the ATR, average true range. When the price crosses above the line, it generates a long signal. When it crosses below, it signals a short. What's new in this custom version? ATR-based dynamic take profit. Now you can set a dynamic take profit based on market volatility using the ATR. This makes the take profit adapt to market condition, especially useful in volatile environments. Time-based trading filter, a new feature that allows trading only during specific time ranges. This helps avoid unwanted signals outside your preferred trading session. Trend filter with the moving average. We added a trend confirmation filter using a long-term moving average. This strategy will only trade in the direction of the trend if this option is enabled. Helps avoid trades that go against the dominant market direction. Trailing stop with profit activation. One of the most powerful features, the smart trailing stop, which activates only after a certain profit level has been reached. Great for locking profits while still giving trades room to grow. Visuals and alerts. Visual enhancements include buy and sell labels on the chart and colored bars for clear signals. Custom alerts are also integrated and ready to automate. Trading rules and best practices. To get the most of the utbot strategy, follow the simple but effective trading rules built around the full power of utbot strategy. Scalping setting for gold 3-minute time frame. Here are two optimized scalping setups using the utbot strategy version 6 on XAUUSD gold, tested on the 3-minute chart with the trend and volatility filters. Setup 1, ATR take profit based. Sensitivity 2, ATR period 1, ATR take profit multiplier 1.2. Trend filter enabled 150 period EMA. Stop loss dynamic placed at the swing high low of the last 10 candles. Ideal for short burst in trending market with a quick take profit and tight risk control. Setup 2, ATI trailing stop based. Sensitivity 2, ATR period 1. Trend filter enabled 150 period EMA. Trailing stop enabled 500 basis points. For example, 50 pips. Stop loss dynamic based on the last 10 candles with high low. Better suited for letting winners run, especially during extended directional moves. Important note on Heikin Ashi backtesting. When backtesting strategies on Heikin Ashi charts, always ensure that your entry and exit conditions are calculating using the candle's closing price clause. Otherwise, the results may be unrealistic or misleading, since Heikin Ashi modifies the visual structure of price movement and can delay signals. To ensure accurate simulation, trigger trades only at the confirmed candle close. Now I will show you some backtest examples. Final thoughts. Each feature of utbot version is designed to help you trade smarter, not just more often. Combine session timing, trend direction, volatility-based exits, and dynamic trailing to create a disciplined, flexible, and consistent approach. Want the full strategy? Support us on Ko-Fi and get the complete script. You help keeps this project growing. In any case, in the download, we give you a basic version with stop loss and take profit. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this strategy helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with more trading strategies. Happy trading! Bye!